Hey, good morning. Doc Daddy here with Atlantic Seawall and Dock. Today we're installing some Blue Marlin filters. They are maintainable weep hole filters for seawalls to help relieve the hydrostatic pressure and allow the water to drain through the wall without taking the soil with it. It's a maintainable weep hole. So you take these two screws out and use a tool to take out that filter element inside of there. And if you keep that thing cleaned about once a year, your seawall will breathe. Here we're gonna install filters every 4 feet on center on an existing vinyl seawall, just to increase the drainage performance and prevent a little water buildup that's happening due to the grade. This side we're fixing a leak where the returns meet. That's what we're doing here. Show you what the wall looks like from the front, because you can actually see some of the waters getting through the seams, so this will just release some of that. All right, we'll check back in once they're installed.